Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
You're going to want to see this one.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're over here at Hibiscus by the Bay.
Yes.
Gorgeous condo overlooking the bay, 3-bedroom.
Always a sea breeze. Look at the hair.
I know,
It's so beautiful.
that beach life.
End unit.
End unit.
It's beautiful.
What is your favorite thing about this?
Oh, I'm pretty sure it's because it's an end unit with this great balcony space. I get to see the water from my bed.
Check it out. Hey there, come on in. I'd love to show you this adorable condo we have at Hibiscus by the Bay. Check out the open kitchen living area. We've got plenty of counter space, lots of cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, really nice LVP on the floor, nice neutral color palette, perfect for the beach. And as you go into the living area, notice how all of the light floods in. We are situated on the corner, so we have all this natural light coming in, crown molding throughout, and you get access to this wrap-around corner balcony with gorgeous views of the bay. That's not all. Let's go check out some of the bedrooms.
Hey, come on in. Welcome to the main bedroom. Look how much space there is, and that light that you've got in the main living area, you also have in here. Nice, huge open window, as well as a slider access straight to all these water views, right from the head of the bed. And welcome to the main ensuite, right? You've got this massive closet right here with 2 sinks, a huge shower in the water closet area, an extra vanity space so that you can get ready in all of your needs. This is a wonderful end unit. So this split bedroom floor plan is perfect to keep everybody in their own corners with extra bath and a half. So for more information, look in the description below. Check out the actual listing link for all the details on price and HOA fees and extra pictures.
This is a great deal. You don't want to miss out. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com.